Hello guys, today we're doing this my garage. We go to take a look inside. This is my garage. This looks like a dog's place where he can go. So we can go inside. This was the dog's place where he can go when it's rainy outside. And now we're inside. We have very cute dog. My garage is here. This is tuning. We do stickers later, and so this is it. You can see my hut or garage. This is so tough. How would you rate it? I do the door later, and I do the door. I put this to the door so I can yeah. You know. I can do door open and close door. This is touchable. Near. Show it later when I do the stickers. This 3, 2, 1. So we put the stickers now on. You can see there is a sticker on every wall. So in there. Oh, I like this sticker. This sticker very cool. And we have a sticker here. I already showed this sticker. So we have these stickers. These. And there is here one sticker too. I was planning to put that sticker here, but it fell off and it no stick anymore. See, it no stick anymore. It stick to my finger. My finger. Okay, let's put it here. No, it fall off. Okay, this is my langevarjumehike. Okay, I can put my food here, and this is my body, my pillow, so I can be here. This is it. I showed my hut. This is no. This is not a hut. This is a garage. I do my work here. That's very bad that I couldn't fit my ATV here. ATV means quad, as you know. And this is a little, yes, you know, it needs cleaning. I have this what it is called, nohu, and I can talk pretty good. Okay, bye. So this is my hut. Okay, bye.